In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for budgeting. We'll start right from the Monday.com homepage. Go ahead and log in, and once you're on your main workspace, look for the option to create a new board. On the screen, this will usually appear as a highlighted button or area inviting you to create or add something new. Click that highlighted area to begin setting up your budgeting board. Instead of building everything from scratch, we're going to use one of Monday.com's templates. When the creation window opens, choose the option that says Start with Template. This will take you to the Template Center, where you can browse all the available templates. In the template search bar, type in the keyword that matches the budgeting template you're looking for. As you type, you'll see different template options appear below. When you see the budgeting template that fits your needs, click on it to open its details. Here you can quickly preview the structure and make sure it includes things like expenses, campaigns, or projects you want to track. Once it looks good, click on Use Template. Monday.com will now create a new board based on that template in your workspace. When your new budgeting board opens, you'll notice multiple views at the top. One of the most useful for planning over time is the Gantt view. Click on the Gantt view to see your budgeting items laid out on a timeline. This is great for understanding when certain campaigns or expenses will hit during the year and how they overlap. Next, switch over to the Quarterly Budget Chart view. Click that tab to see a visual breakdown of your budget by quarter. This helps you quickly spot which periods are heavier on spending and where you might have room to reallocate funds. You may also have a view called Creative Files. Click on that to see any files or assets attached to your budgeting items, such as creative briefs or designs. This keeps your financial planning connected to the actual work being produced. Now return to the main table view. This is where you'll do most of your day-to-day editing. In the main table, find a specific budget item, like a seasonal campaign. Click on that item's name to open and focus on it. You can then click into individual cells, such as priority, channel, or cost. For example, you might set the priority to high, choose a marketing channel like email campaigns, and then click into the cost cell to adjust the amount. The board will automatically roll these numbers up into any summary groups or high-level budget sections. Finally, if your template includes a high-level marketing budget group, click into that to see the total budget across all items. You can then refine any highlighted settings or columns, such as dates or owners, by clicking on them and adjusting as needed. This way, Monday.com becomes a single, organized place to plan, track, and review your entire budget.